So I don't know about you, but when I think of a bodybuilding breakfast, I'm thinking of eggs and oatmeal. We got chicken, broccoli, and rice. This has gotta be the most exciting meal of the day. Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Ben. We're back with another video. Today we're gonna do a full day of eating like the average bodybuilder. So basically, for breakfast, it's gonna be oatmeal and eggs. And then throughout the day, we're just gonna have chicken and rice and tilapia, rice, vegetables. And we're gonna see how I feel, how I perform in the gym. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know if eating like a bodybuilder is better than being flexible and having a balance in your diet, and see which one is better. So that's what we're gonna do. Just woke up 6:30, it's currently 6:41 a.m. Got decaf coffee brewing right now. Gonna go for a walk. So we'll go for like a 30 to 40 minute walk, come back, and then I'll see you guys in meal one. So stay tuned. Peace. And we're back from the walk. So I don't know about you, but when I think of a bodybuilding breakfast, I'm thinking of eggs and oatmeal. So that's what we're gonna make. We got 2 whole eggs, 4 servings of egg whites, 1 scoop of protein powder, and 1.5 servings of oats. So yeah, that's gonna be meal 1. Let's cook it up. Gila mix, let's see how it holds up. By the way, this blender has no bowl in it. You'll see that? Literally two whole eggs, and it's completely mixed. That's kind of sick. With no blender bowl in there. Gila mix up next for real. We're gonna do a little taste test. Got plain eggs and egg whites. Tastes like eggs. Let's get the oatmeal going. Pretty solid. Chocolate protein powder and oats. Pretty basic, but it's good, it's good. Then we also got coffee. Got 5 grams of creatine in here. But I'm gonna finish this meal up. The calories and macros, I'm gonna put my MyFitnessPal thing right there, or the calories of it and what I used. And yeah, it's gonna be meal 1, and I'll see you guys in the next meal, where we're probably gonna have some chicken, broccoli, and rice, most likely. I'll see you then. Peace. We're back for meal 2, lunchtime. It's around 12 p.m. We got chicken, broccoli, and rice, and we gonna get cooking. Peace. We're back with the chicken, broccoli, and rice. I did put sriracha and G-Hughes in here because I need some sort of flavor. It's like 10 calories in the G-Hughes. Sriracha has like 0. But let's give it a try. Should be banging. Pretty solid, pretty solid. Put up the calories for this right there. Big difference between like what I usually eat and eating like this is this little bowl is like 500 calories or so, but a lot of calories in like a little amount, as opposed to having a big salad and then like the cream of wheat brownie for like less calories than this. So it's very like dense food, but I guess it's also good for like digestion as well. Like I'm not gonna be bloated. Like when I eat like a salad, I'm more like bloated, but we'll see throughout the day if I get bloated or not, if I feel good. But I'm gonna down this meal, and then I'll see you guys in the pre-workout meal, and then we'll go to the gym and smash it. See you guys then. Poo! And we're back with meal 3, the pre-workout meal. You guys already know we got chicken and rice. What did you think it was gonna be? What did you think it was gonna be? Chicken, rice, and I put a whole egg in here because I've been experimenting with putting fat in my pre-workout, like I said before. I'm pretty sure I said that. But if I didn't, I'm experimenting with putting fat in my pre-workout meals, and I've been noticing a difference. So I'm gonna continue to do so. So I put 1 whole egg with 2 servings of rice and 6 ounces of chicken. It's gonna be right there. I used G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce again, and some sriracha, which is like 10 calories. Yeah, this is gonna be the pre-workout meal, and then we're gonna smash chest and arms. This is busting though. This is definitely busting. But we're gonna eat our chicken and rice like a basic bodybuilder. Ooh. And then we're gonna go to the gym, smash a workout. So yeah, see you guys then. And we're back from the gym. You guys already know. We got 6 ounces of tilapia, a serving of rice, and broccoli, 150 grams of broccoli. It's gonna be our post-workout. See how it's tasted. All the meals have been pretty solid. They taste good. The G. Hughes sriracha combo is deadly. Get a little bit of spiciness with the sweet barbecue. Dangerous combo. And it only adds 10 calories, so yeah. So yeah, we got our post-workout meal. We're gonna have another meal before bed. So I'll see you guys there. Bye. And we're back for the final meal of the day. This has gotta be the most exciting meal of the day. We got almond butter, and we're gonna use 1 serving, which is 32 grams. That'll give us like 16 grams of fat or so to slow digestion overnight. And that's gonna be our final meal. 32 grams, baby. Alright, that's 32 grams. And this is our pre-bed meal. 190 calories, I think. Put up there. We're gonna finish this one very quickly, so pretty good though. So that's it. That's a full day of eating like a basic bodybuilder. Chicken, broccoli, rice, eggs, oatmeal. Overall, I was honestly very satiated throughout the day, which I didn't think was gonna happen. I thought I was gonna eat a meal and then be hungry after, but satiation wasn't really a problem. Digestion was great. I wasn't eating like higher volume stuff like I'm used to. My pump in the gym was insane, probably because I had so many carbs in the beginning of the day. But yeah, overall, pretty solid. And I probably will be using some of these going forward, because when you eat like higher quality foods like these, your body burns off more calories digesting them, so you can get away with eating more of them. There's definitely a reason behind why they eat like they do. Hella respect. But that's gonna do it for the video. All my links are in the description below. You guys already know what to do. Hit the subscribe button if you are new. Like the video. Drop a comment for the algo. Y'all, see you guys in the next one. Peace!